Okay guys, here is question from aviation exam. So we need to calculate true airspeed from calibrated airspeed. So pressure altitude is 180. If we see here flight level, it means we're on pressure altitude with the standard uh, pressure setting, which is 1013 on your altimeter. So this is our pressure altitude 180. Outside air temperature is -30. In this case we don't need to calculate inside deviation, just outside air temperature. So okay, calibrated altitude airspeed is 150 knots. So it is a good tool. There are two different kind of flight computer. I use E6B. It has two sides. For this side we use for this exercise we use first side. So okay, we see here several disks which can be rotated manually by holding left key button on your mouse. Okay, here is pressure altitude 1000 of feet. So we need to put to find the flight level 180. It is 15, 16, 17, 18. So first of all, just to show you, I put 0 degree on flight level 180. Just imagine you are flying so high and you have on 0 degrees Celsius. So it's possible over equator regions. So okay, now we need to put here -30 degrees. Don't forget there are plus sign and here is minus. So we need to change this value to -30. Okay, this is 0. This is 10, 20, and here's okay 30 degrees minus. This is a flight level 180 and -30 degrees. Now we have calibrated altitude 150 knots. Calibrated altitude, this is the value which we can see from our airspeed indicator. Actually it shows instrument speed, but I would say it's calibrated because there are some calibration, and actually we see not instrument but a calibrated airspeed. And now we can prolong this line and see that the true airspeed is between 190 and 200. So the answer for this question is 195 knots, and here is correct answer. Yeah, it's correct.